If you're trying to watch a Twitter video but it's not playing, tag along, we'll solve the issue together. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter and thanks for tuning in. Usually the problem behind a video not playing on Twitter is due to the cache data, too many cookies, etc. Deleting these faulty data will most likely get rid of your problem. If your Twitter video is not playing on Google Chrome, the best thing to do is resetting your Chrome settings completely. This way, the web browser will use the default settings when it comes to playing videos on Twitter, which will solve the issue most likely. Here is how to reset Chrome. Start with launching Chrome on your computer. Once it has started, navigate to More and open the settings. Now go to the Reset settings, hit Enter on Reset. Next, complete the confirmation process by selecting the reset again. Finally, go to the Twitter website and reload the page to see if it plays the videos now. If the videos are still not playing, try updating Chrome and make sure that you're running the latest version possible. Since most people prefer using social media, including Twitter, on their phones, we're obliged to take a look at the issue of a video not playing within the Twitter app. The reason behind the video not playing is most likely the same as before, corrupt cache and cookie data, so we'll have to delete those. Open the Twitter application and go to the settings. Within the settings, go to Accessibility, Display and Languages, then to Data Usage and then Media Storage. And here, clear media storage. If your problem is still present, check if you're using the latest version of the Twitter application and update it if you're not. If you're an Android user, here's what you have to do to solve the same issue. Step 1. On your homepage, select the Settings app. Then go to the Applications and select Twitter. In step 3, scroll down to locate and select the option Clear Data. If the video error still persists, turn your phone off and then restart again. Now note that in all cases, check the internet connection and make sure that it's strong and stable. Try to play the video using mobile data if it doesn't work from Wi-Fi. So a video that doesn't play well on Twitter can also be because it wasn't uploaded in the most suitable format. Here are the video format requirements for Twitter. A tool that you can use to convert the videos is the Wondershare UniConverter, which is a professional converter tool with over 1,000 supported file formats, and it also has many other video maker tools that you can utilize. If you don't have the software yet, there are links in the description, and once you have it, open it up and right from the homepage, click on the converter. Import your video. Within the output format settings here, set up the attributes that are needed for an optimized Twitter video, but if you leave them as it is, the video will be optimized well enough as well. Additionally, you can also color correct the video or add effects. Then choose your output folder and click on Start All. For your convenience, I'll show you an online tool for the same purpose. Media.io is an online video creator tool with lots of features, including a powerful converter. Go to Media.io, click on the video converter tool. Upload your file or files. Select the output format to be MP4 and then click on the settings icon. Here you can set the attributes to fit Twitter's video requirements, but the Smart Fit options will also optimize your Twitter videos. Then click on OK and then convert. Once the conversion process is done, download your files. And there you have it guys, a handful of options to make sure that you can watch a Twitter video and that other people will be able to watch yours without a problem. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.